Hi. This is very glitchy. My name is Miss DeMars, Bridget DeMars. I'm going to be your Math 125 instructor for the spring semester. And I thought it would be best if I made a quick video going over the syllabus and then another one for WebAssign, because those are the things that people usually struggle with at the beginning. So I am going to shrink myself. There I go. And let's take a look at Blackboard. So I'm on Blackboard right now. Mine probably looks different from yours, but under your courses, you should see a link for Math 125 Spring 2021. You would know how to get here if you are watching this video, because this is where I posted it. I'm going to go ahead and click on the syllabus. Okay, so a lot of this information I'm not going to read to you, but the important things. This is a 3-credit class. You either tested into this class, your math background allowed you to be into this class, or you took 098 and then were placed in this class. So all of those things are prerequisites, and I'm sure that if you're in this class, somebody has already checked that and made sure it was a thing. The evaluation for this class, 40% is based on homework assignments. 40% is based on exams. Your lowest exam grade is dropped, and the final exam is worth 20% of your final grade. Now, I don't accept late exams, so if something does happen and you can't get an exam on time, that is why we have the lowest exam grade dropped. You have one freebie. You don't have to skip an exam or anything like that. You actually can do them all and do the best you can. And the lowest one is dropped, so it's really nice. Let's scroll down a little bit here, my instructor name and the email that is created just for your class. So all of the emails you send me will come right to me, and I'll know it's from you because you use that email address. The textbook for this is online. I'm going to show you how to access it soon, but just remember that this class has the textbook through Include Ed, which means it's included in your tuition. So you shouldn't be going out and buying anything just to make sure. Notice that also for the graphing utility, I'm not requiring you to have a TI 8384 graphing calculator, which normally that is a thing. I'm allowing you to use an online calculator called Desmos. It's free. It's very user-friendly. If you do have a TI 83 or 84, by all means, you definitely can use it. But Desmos is what I highly recommend because it's great and you don't have to pay for it. The materials you're going to need are a computer with internet access, a set of the notes printed, ruler, paper, writing utensils, ruler again, apparently that's super important, I had to put it twice. And so we'll talk more about that stuff probably at some point. The place to go for all class information, including notes, exams, the link for Zoom meetings is in the virtual classroom, which is like heavily linked right there. So I'm going to click on this really quickly so you can see what this looks like. Okay, so you can see that all of the classes along with their deadlines are linked in the middle of the page. This syllabus is linked. The complete note packet is linked. It's 109 pages. A Zoom link to get into class is here. My email, the Math 125 inbox, is right here. And you also can schedule a virtual help session if you would like. So it's really easy to do that. You can click on this link and it will take you right to a screen where you click on help session, my name, and then you get to look at a calendar and pick a time, and it will send me an email immediately, and if it doesn't send you a Zoom link, I will send a Zoom link, so that's kind of helpful. Okay, so the first class deadline is January 27th. If I click on this, it will take me to the notes. I'm sorry, not the notes, the video that has the first set of notes in it. This is note pages 1 through 8. There's only one video. If you click this, it will take you to the link to watch that video. Also, Desmos the calculator is linked on here, which is really awesome. And you can always go back to the main page by hitting exit. Now, hopefully a lot of this stuff seems to be really self-explanatory, but I'm not going to assume anything. Hopefully this is easy to navigate for you, and if not, you should let me know. Okay, so going back to the syllabus, which I must have accidentally exited out of, the place to go for all your homework assignments and the ebook is Blackboard, this class. On the side, there's a link that says WebAssign homework and ebook link. That's how you will get into WebAssign. You shouldn't have to log into WebAssign because it's connected to your Blackboard, so it will know automatically who you are and what class you're supposed to be in. Another thing I ask is mandatory sign up, is that you text from your device that receives texts the phrase @ MTH Geek 125 to the number 81010. If you've never done this before, it's going to send you a text back asking for your name. So you're going to want to write your name and send it back to them, because then I can tell who has and has not signed up for it. So it's super important. I do lots of reminders and sometimes bonus opportunities. And did I make you yawn? Are you a person that yawns when you see other people yawn? I am. Okay, going back to this. Yeah, so you want to get text message reminders. Only good things happen. I did take a moment and called Staples just to see what the situation was. If you're a person that doesn't have access to a copier or a printer or the toner to print 109 pages of notes, you can call Staples. The phone number is right here. All you would have to tell them is that you want to print a set of notes. They will ask you to email the PDF file, which is linked in the virtual classroom, to this email address, print.marketing0825@staples.com. If you want a double-sided stack of notes that has no binding or anything like that, it's $16. You can get it the same day as long as you order it before 2 o'clock, or $20 for 1 hour guaranteed. Also, you could get double-sided, and it's also bound with a cover, for $21. Same thing, if you order by 2 o'clock, it's end of day, or around $28 for 1 hour guaranteed. I just want to make sure you understand, I am not mandatory making you do this or wanting you to go spend money. I'm just trying to give you an option if you don't have the ability to print your notes. It's really important. It's important you have the notes to write on. This course structure, the first thing obviously is to read through the syllabus thoroughly. Notice dates and deadlines. In the virtual classroom, you'll find the complete packet of notes. This must be boring to me. I don't know. Number 3, each lesson is pre-recorded and posted in the virtual classroom, as you saw. Number 4, after each lesson, you're going to go to WebAssign to complete the homework that is assigned to the lesson you just watched. Do each lesson by its deadline that is listed in the table at the end of the syllabus. Also, it's listed in the virtual classroom. After every 2 to 3 lessons, there is an exam, and the exam will be posted in the virtual classroom as a document that you may print out and complete, or record your answers with work. On lined paper, questions and answers must be clearly marked. You'll be submitting that exam by email to math125inbox@gmail.com by the deadline that is stated on the table below. I want you to submit it as one PDF file. Now, how do you do that? If you're a person that has the work in front of you in paper, you can get an app on your phone that will allow you to take pictures of it, make it a PDF, and send it. You actually can send it right from your phone. The one that I use is called Cam Scanner, and the icon looks like a CS. And I know that there are a lot of videos on YouTube explaining how to use Cam Scanner to email images as a PDF. So make sure you're sending me one file. You're not sending me 10 images. It takes me a really long time to have to convert everything for you. So it's important that you are able to do that yourself. So I've got lots of people. At the end of the course, there's going to be a final exam. It's conducted just like the exams previously. There is a Zoom meeting scheduled every Tuesday at 6 p.m. The link for the Zoom meeting is in the virtual classroom. I will do my best to record the Zoom meetings to post, and yeah. If you have a question about anything, you should ask it, because I'm not a good mind reader. I want you to feel comfortable being open about your struggles, and the struggles are good. Struggles help you learn, strangely. You wouldn't believe it, but it's true. Lastly, again, if you didn't see earlier, the link to the virtual classroom is right here. And at the very end of this is a list of all of what you're going to see in the virtual classroom, due dates. This is really important. If you want to know if something is due, do not message me. Look at your syllabus and look for it, and you can see it. And it's just amazing. So that is the end of the syllabus video. I hope that that is pretty clear and easy. And I will send a video in just a moment for a web assign. Have a great day.